So today I will be showing you guys how to make a simple but good looking digital planner in less than 5 minutes. So let's not waste time and get started. I'm gonna be using an iPad, but you could use whatever device you want or even paper. Just use this video as a guide on inspiration to create your own planner. First step is you wanna grab a color palette. I like the color gold, so I just googled gold color palette and used one that I liked. Second step is to know what you want from a digital planner. People mainly use it for 3 things. First, they use it as a journal, but I don't need the journal because I'm using Day One. I'm happy with it. Second use is that people also use it as a task manager, but I don't need that because I'm using TickTick. People also use it as a calendar for any important tasks, but I just use Google Calendar. So I just wanted a simple daily planner to plan my day in details and block certain hours for certain projects, and perhaps a note section if I thought of something in that day. So that leads us into the third step, which is using your design app of choice. I'm using Affinity Design, so I grabbed my color palette and used it to create this simple design for planning the hours of the day, and the note section for today and tomorrow just in case. I just use simple shapes and I used some shadows in the middle to make it look realistic. I also grabbed a paper texture from Google and just blend it in to make it look even more realistic or more like a real notebook, if that makes sense. And the last step is just to export it and just use it. I imported the planner to GoodNotes and I just use it every day, and it actually makes a big difference. I hope you guys found that useful and thank you for watching. Peace.